Welcome students. Now we will be discussing the next topic from your chapter 2. Remember in my previous video we have discussed about moving or copying a file or a folder from one drive to another drive. So remember one thing, on my computer I am having Windows 10. That is why you see these options here. File, home, share at the top. So if you want to copy or cut, you will click on home and then you see these options. In case you don't have Windows 10, you have any previous version, maybe Windows 7 or Windows 8, in that case you will see the option of organize. Under organize tab you will see cut and copy options. Okay, so don't get confused. You start looking for home tab, but in case you don't have Windows 10, you will see organize tab. You won't have home tab at the top, right? Now next topic that we are going to discuss is how do you transfer a file or a folder from a pen drive to your computer. So you are going to use it. Just look at your screens carefully, the steps that you need to perform to copy a file from a pen drive to your computer or from your computer to a pen drive. So I have just connected a pen drive to my computer, and as soon as you connect your pen drive to your computer and you go to my computer, you will see your pen drive listed here. Do you see this option USB drive D, right? So you will have your pen drive listed under in my computer. So as soon as you click on my computer, you will see this drive, USB drive D. So what I do is I need to copy a folder from this pen drive to my computer. So let's say I need to select a folder first which I want to copy. So what I do, I go ahead and double click on the pen drive. I double click here. So now I have this folder inside my pen drive which I want to copy to my computer. So the same steps I do, I select the folder, I either go to the home tab and I select the option copy, or I go ahead and click on the folder, right click on the folder, and I go to the option copy. Okay, or the third option is I go ahead and select the folder and I press the Control and C key from my keyboard. Remember, for copying you are going to use Control and C. Okay, so I go ahead and click on Control and C key combination from my keyboard. Now I will move to the location where I want to copy that file. So let's say I want to copy that folder in drive E. So I double click on drive E and either I go to the home tab and click on paste, or I click anywhere, right click anywhere and I select the option paste, or I go ahead and press the key combination Control and V, V as in Victor, Control and V for pasting. Okay, so what I do is I go ahead and press Control and C combination, Control and V combination, and as soon as I press Control V, I will see my folder present in drive E. So this is the way how you copy a file or a folder from pen drive to your computer. Okay, let's say I want to copy it to the desktop. I double click on my pen drive, I select the folder and I right click the folder, I select copy option, and then I go to the desktop. I want to copy that folder on my desktop. So I go to the desktop, I right click anywhere on the desktop and I select the option paste. As soon as I click on paste, I see this my folder appears on the desktop. So students, these are the steps that you need to follow to copy any file or a folder from your computer, from your pen drive to your computer. So let's say I want to copy from my computer to the pen drive. So for that what I do is, let's say I want to copy this file scan1 and I want to copy it to my pen drive. So I go ahead and right click on this scan1 document, I go and select the option copy, or you can press Control C combination from your keyboard, and I want to go ahead and copy it to the pen drive. So I again go to my computer, I go to the double click on the pen drive and I right click anywhere and I select the option paste. So as soon as I click on paste, you see the scan1 file appears here in my pen drive. So these are the basic steps that you need to perform in order to copy a file from your pen drive to your computer or from your computer to your pen drive. Okay. Now next thing that we are going to discuss about is how you can sort the files. Sort the files or sort the icons that are present on your desktop. Sorting means, the word sorting means arranging. So there are different ways you can arrange the files. Either you can arrange them by their name. When I say name, I mean to say in the alphabetical order, so that the files that start with A will appear at the top. Other way of doing sorting is you can sort it by size. Size means the larger size, smaller size, that is the way of sorting. Okay, so when you want to sort those icons on your desktop, what you do is you right click anywhere on your desktop. I right click anywhere, and do you see this option sort by? So as soon as I keep my mouse cursor on the option sort by, what happens is you see 4 options. One is name, size, item type and date modified. Okay, so we will learn what are the difference between these 4 options. The first option is name. When I am going to select this option, it will arrange all my files in the alphabetical order. Let's say I click on name, all my files will be arranged in alphabetical order. So you see this A, then B, B, C, F, G, H. So all the files that are present on my desktop, they will be arranged in alphabetical order when I go to the sort by name option. Next option is size option. So by size option, when you select this size option, it is going to arrange all the files in descending order of the file size. Descending means larger to smaller, right? So when I select this size option, जो भी files मेरी बड़ी size की हैं, they will appear first, and the files that are of the smaller size, they will appear at the last. So as soon as I click on size, जो बड़ी files हैं, they will be listed at the top, and the smaller size files will be listed at the bottom, at the last. Next option that we have is sort by item type. Item type means जो भी फाइल्स एक तरह की हैं they will be sorted separately. जो भी फाइल्स different तरह की हैं they will be sorted separately. So if you see, I have Word documents here, I have PDF files also. मेरे कुछ folders हैं जो कि present है on my desktop screen. So if I select on item type, you see जो मेरे Excel sheets हैं वो अलग sort हो गई हैं, जो folders हैं वो अलग हो गए हैं. My PDF files are listed separately. My Word documents are separate together. Right? So that is item type, means जो भी items एक तरह की हैं they will be separate, जो items अलग तरह की हैं वो भी separately group हो जाएंगी. Last option that we have in sort by option is date modified. Date modified means इसमें हमारी files उस way में organize होंगी according to the date they were last modified. जो files recently modify होंगी वो टॉप पे आएंगी, जो लेट, जो बहुत पहले की मॉडिफाइड है वो बाद में अपीयर होंगी. मीन्स डेट मॉडिफाइड मीन्स on the dates that these files were created or modified. So when I click on this option, you see the files are sorted according to the dates they are modified. Okay, so students, this was the topic that we were discussing so far was sorting. Sorting means arranging the desktop items. Desktop items में आपकी files भी हो सकती हैं, आपके icons भी हो सकते हैं, आपकी image files भी हो सकती हैं, आपकी PDF files भी हो सकती है, आपकी document files भी हो सकती हैं. तो sort करना means उनको arrange करना ताकि they are easy to, you are able to easily locate those files on your desktop screen. So in the next video we will be discussing about if you want to use multiple applications at the same time, you want to work with multiple applications on the same time on your computer screen. We will be discussing about it in the next video. Thank you.